Hey, what's up guys, thank you for clicking on this video. Make sure to like, subscribe and check out my channel for more, as it truly helps me out.
Cinema quality entertainment that goes wherever you do. The Samsung Galaxy S, that's the wonder of Samsung.
3 hours till phone nirvana.
I am so amped, I could stand here for 3 weeks.
9 hours down, and we're almost in the door.
Only 7 people stand between us and
meeting.
Yeah, I mean, this is an event. We're gonna remember this for the rest of our lives.
I think 2 people just left.
Why would they be leaving when we're only 9 hours away?
Uh-oh. Blogs are saying the battery looks sketchy.
If it looks the same, how will people know I upgraded?
Whoa.
What you got there?
Not sure.
What is that? Guys.
Whoa. Hey, bro, can we see your phone?
Sure.
Can I see with my hands? Have you seen this thing? Ooh.
She totally caught me checking out her phone.
Check out the screen, this thing is huge.
It's pretty massive. And it's got 4G speed.
Samsung.
Samsung? That's a Samsung. Yeah.
Is this what adultery feels like?
Samsung.
Pretty big display. It's the next thing, man.
Whatevs.
I could never get a Samsung. I'm creative.
Dude, you're a barista.
Why don't you guys just get 4G phones? Why don't you just get a 4G phone?
Pretty thin, huh?
Yeah, it's a Galaxy S2. This phone is amazing.
The Galaxy S2 from Samsung.
That's old school.
Yeah, this is kind of retro thing, which I like.
Yeah.
Samsung Galaxy S3. Designed for humans.
Hey, sorry, I was just checking out your phone. That's the Galaxy S4, right?
Yeah, I just got it.
Did your video just pause on its own?
Yeah, it does it every time you look away from the screen.
And that's a big screen, too.
5 inches, HD.
Is that phone that you answer by waving your hand over it?
Yeah.
Is it? Am I doing it right?
Someone has to call you first.
Well, give me your number. I'll call you.
Yeah. Give me your number.
Come on.
Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S4. The next big thing is here.
I can capture life in a blink. This is my life. My life powered by the Samsung Galaxy S5.
Ooh, check out the edge of the Samsung Galaxy S6 Edge. It displays colors when your top 5 contacts call. The edge of the iPhone 6 displays nothing, but it has a vibrate function. The GS6 Edge also displays text, news, sports, stocks, weather, Twitter, email. It's a lot. While the edge of this guy has some buttons. When you do the math, it's clear. 6 is greater than 6. The Galaxy S6 Edge. Not all smartphones are created equal.
What? I can pour this champagne on my phone and it still work. What? Yeah, look. Kenny, I'm about to put you in a fish tank. What? That's crazy. Your phone can't do that, Max. Here, I have another. What?
The new
water-resistant Galaxy S7 Edge.
Do you sell high-end champagne?
In the back.
Have a good night.
The new water-resistant Galaxy S7 Edge.
The new Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus.
Wow! Here's an invitation to the whole wide world. Never day with ya, leave it as it goes. Green light go, that's all I know. And when I roll, I'm in control. Don't matter what they say, no, I don't care. Ain't gonna walk away until I'm there. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Won't stop till I get that. I won't stop. Won't stop till I get that. Till I get that. Get that. Won't stop till I get that. I won't stop. Won't stop till I get that. Till I get that. Get that. Move all day and I never get tired. Move all day and I never give up. Won't stop till I get that. I won't stop. Won't stop till I get that. Won't stop till I get that. Till I get that. Get that. Get that. Bring it. First time I saw you, you blew my mind. I got this feeling everything was alright. I've never known someone like you, but when I'm with you, everything feels brand new. You.
Bold new contour cut camera design, the fastest chip ever in Galaxy, and intelligent batteries outlast your day. Introducing Galaxy S21 Ultra. Precision camera elements and cutting-edge technology revolutionize how you capture video and photos. The revolution starts with 8K. 8K video goes beyond cinema, the highest video resolution possible on a smartphone. And with 8K Video Snap, you can take epic high-res photos straight from video. Groundbreaking director's view reimagines movie making. In real time, you call the shots. Choose between ultra-wide, wide, and when you want to get up close, tele. Or put yourself in the picture with vlogger mode. It's all covered in one take with unprecedented processor speed, splicing every angle together on the fly. So, without lag, it's all there in a single seamless movie file, ready to share. Super high resolution doesn't stop at video. The epic story continues with an enhanced 108 megapixel sensor, capturing rich color for true-to-life photos. You can all but taste the details as you pinch in to discover photos within photos. Our breakthrough dual tele-lens system brings the world closer to you. With Zoom Lock, Space Zoom is now smoother, faster, and sharper than any zoom in Galaxy. Night Mode delivers our biggest leap in low-light photography. Multi-frame blending and enhanced AI deep learning transform low light into bright, vivid photos. When the night calls for video, enhanced noise reduction makes adventures after dark brighter than ever. And shooting 60 frames per second across 4 lenses in 4K makes every move look unbelievably smooth. The first S Pen for S Series puts precision editing at your fingertips, so you can now craft edits on the go and share in an instant on 5G. Our smoothest display ever is also the most intelligent on a smartphone. 120Hz refresh rate optimizes to what you're watching, while Eye Comfort Shield intelligently adjusts blue light for you. With the fastest chip in Galaxy, unsurpassed speed powers an epic camera experience, complete with dedicated Samsung Knox Vault for the highest level of hardware security. An intelligent 5,000 mAh battery will outlast your day, even on 5G. S21 Ultra's iconic contour cut camera design revolutionizes all a smartphone camera can do. Designed to be epic in every way. Galaxy S21 Ultra.